All right, good morning, everyone. So it is Friday, March 13th, and I'm meeting up with Joey and Jeff this morning to do some crow hunting. There have been a lot of crows around recently. Obviously, there's crows everywhere. But this is going to be our first outing for the year, going after these birds. So I got Jasmine in the back here. We're going to be hitting a lot of our usual spots, some of the locations that we had the most luck last year. It's a little chilly out this morning. It's about 27 degrees right now, only supposed to get up to about 35, 38. So just going to wait for them two to arrive, get all my stuff packed up, and we'll head out to the first spot. For you guys that are new to this channel and new to the crow hunting here, I use an electronic predator collar, set it out in the field, and I have one decoy that I set out with it. Sometimes I don't even put the decoy out. And then every crow we get in that spot, we use them as decoys as well. But usually we only get 1 to 3 rounds of birds coming into the call before they figure out what's going on and stop. So I'll see you guys out in the field.
My breech. Plug? Plug, yeah. Yeah, thought about that too. Not that hard to do.
Yeah, we'll just all align the woods over here. Put the call right out front here. Ready?
Sounds like a kazoo to me.
Yeah, yes it does.
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd you miss the one in the tree? What was that?
Me.
He was
behind some brush. I mean, I could barely see him.
Oh yeah, I figured there were a lot of...
You might fly over.
Shoot some ducks. Here we go. Thanks.
I'll take the assist.
Yeah.
Just like that. Good calling, Joe.
Yes, sir. I said I had to warm up the vocals.
Just like that. Oh, another one. Keep going. Do it again, Joe.
Fish crows. Nah, they're too high up there.
Yeah, they're watching us.
It's the fish crows too. They always stay up high like that.
Always.
Always.
That's when I was gonna say that to you, Jeff. When they first, we could hear them. I was like, they always stay above us. They never come down.
Yeah, I should have taken him in that first pass because I mean he was like max range, but that was probably the only.
Did you shoot too? At that one?
At this one?
No,
Yeah.
only once.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did shoot?
I did shoot that one.
Shot.
Did you shoot this one?
No.
No,
Oh.
we both shot at the same time.
Oh, you
you
shot
did?
too?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know you shot.
Just like that.
Okay. He stood no chance then. Where's this other one?
Yeah, I don't know. I thought Jazzy grabbed it.
Yeah, I thought so too. I don't know. He must have not been nearly as injured as we thought he
Yeah,
was.
there's no way he flew off.
No, but they can run when they start running.
Go in place and they're just around all day long.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, shoot. Nice. That's what does it.
Like a loud call, like gets their attention, but once he does that mouth call, they come right in.
Yeah. All right. Well, I don't think they're coming back again.
Right over you, Joe. Come over you, Joe.
Over you. Over you.
Trees, big trees, right over your head.
Sweet. Nice.
Crows are laid regular.
I think they're all regular.
The other one.
I threw it out there as a decoy.
Oh.
Spot. Gonna put the decoy right in this little tree.
I've gone up under those trees right there too, Jeff.
Yeah.
Or like
Boys,
over
you go
here
over
too.
there. I'm gonna go up here somewhere.
I'll go over there.
Okay. Behind you, Joe. Got him. All right.
Jim?
Now that should be good. She'll see it. Right there, Jess. Fetch. Right there. Fetch. Get him. Get him, Jess. Good girl.
See who got that one. Did I get that one?
You must have. It was so far from me.
Oh, okay.
I can't imagine that I actually hit that thing.
I was shooting like through a ton of brush.
Yeah, me too.
And all I saw was him going down like a dart, and I'm like, oh shit.
And I missed the one before that, right? Because it just disappeared after my second shot.
Yeah,
Okay.
it kept going.
Good girl, Jazz.
That one's good. I mean, they're high. They're definitely.
Yeah. Sweet. Well, at least we have a live decoy now. Should help out a little bit. All right, let's do it. Yep. No. Yeah, shoot him. Nice. Yeah.
But you didn't see it at first, did you?
I did it first, and then when I got around that tree, I couldn't see it anymore.
Yeah. Right when you started running, you jumped above the tree.
Okay. Never seen one do that.
Yeah, I didn't even see the second one that came in.
More. Yep. Leave it, Jazz.
Gun not loaded?
No, it was. It's misfiring. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah. My gun misfired again on me.
Really?
Yeah, I shot right before you did and didn't go off. Yeah. Right here. Nice. There we go. Came in quiet.
Yeah, I did. Even that last one, too.
Yeah.
No sign of them coming in.
No.
You're all gassed.
I'm relying on the shadows, seeing the shadows on the ground.
Me too, that's why I'm looking this way.
Yeah. Give it a couple minutes quiet. We'll do it again. Good girl, Jazz. Yeah, it did. I didn't even see it. I just saw the shadow above me and I was like, I didn't know what it was.
You hear me? I said, watch out.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Hear more of them that way too.
Yeah, they sound like they're all that way.
Yeah.
Up against the houses and to our left.
Yeah.
Fire?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it did again. Oh. The hell? It misfired again.
Deep cleaning?
I guess so. Or I'll have to swap out to the other shotgun. Ooh, hold on. There's more, yeah. Now they're all coming. I got that one. Yeah. Yeah. No, he's probably down in the houses. He's way out there, yeah. I didn't even see him go down. I could see him dropping, yeah. Yeah. Good girl, Jazz. Yeah, I think another one will come in. Here we go. Yeah. Did you see that other one that was just gonna come in? I don't think he saw me pull up, but he like flared when I pulled up. But he like dove straight down, and it's like generally the area I saw that other one fall. So I wonder if he was diving to it.
Yeah, he probably was.
I think so.
He's probably only like 100 yards that way.
Yeah, I don't know how I'd ever be able to pinpoint where he is either through this stuff.
Exactly, 100 yards in this brush is
Yeah.
like 200 yards.
Right. Yep. I couldn't get on him. He was so close, I was like all over the place.
One of us, I think you shot him though.
I think so, yeah.
I shot right after.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, dude, he came in so hot.
I thought he was gonna
Me too.
I thought he was gonna land down here with him.
Yeah.
Looked like he was thinking about it.
I thought he was gonna land in the tree right here. I got my phone or
Yeah.
just in case.
Right.
Should be a good little bit.
Good girl, Jazz.
5 for the spot now?
Yeah. Jeff missed out with this one. Yeah, I'll give it another minute. Try again. Oh yeah. Ready? All right. Right here. God, serious? Uh-oh. Got one. Sit. Sit. Nice. Yep. Okay. Oh, yep. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Sweet. All right, well, it's about 12 o'clock now. We've ended up with 11 crows so far. Jeff has to bail now, so I'm just waiting on Joey for the next spot. We're gonna hit 2 more locations, so hopefully our shooting's a little bit better for these last 2 spots. We can go up there toward the...
You gonna go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'll go up there too. I'll go through the street spot there.
Okay. Sit. Serious. How did I? One of them did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jumped right when I was gonna pull the trigger.
Yeah, me too. It's all right. Keep trying. Call again here. I can't believe I missed that first volley. They were right there.
I know, dude. I don't know how I missed them either.
Thanks. Good girl, Jazz. Smaller one. I don't think it's a fish crow though. Nice. You see that one?
Yeah, I mean, he came in. I think he went over like my top right here.
Yeah.
I was looking this way. I seen a shadow, and then he just did like one loop, and then he did a loop over to you, and then just moved a little bit farther. I was like,
I had my gun barrel on him the whole time, but he was just like swerving through the branches. I didn't want to take the shot because I knew I'd miss him.
yeah, no, I know. I already missed twice today
Yeah.
on birds that I was like, I knew I shouldn't have shot. I knew I should have waited.
Yeah.
This is not a good so. Where you get? Which side do you want to stand on?
Stand on this side.
You on that side?
Yeah. All right. Got him. Shit. Oh, he got up, huh?
Yeah, I got blood.
Okay.
Follow
Oh, yeah. Nice. Who knows?
Grabbing onto the branches.
That's a little one.
Little one, but he was really bleeding.
Yeah, no kidding.
I think I actually shot that one. Because remember he was flying away?
Oh yeah, I mean, I shot through like an entire tree like this, so I mean, but
Yeah, he was. I know he was moving, and
Yeah.
you shot and I shot, and then you
it had,
dropped.
yeah, it had to be you.
Sweet, I'll take that. Good girl, Jazz. Yeah, I know.
Yep, let's make it a good one. And just,
Started to really pick up though.
yeah, really. Getting hard for them to hear us.
Get up in here somewhere. This will be good. I think we'll get one more at least.
Yeah. Yep.
Sweet. I mean, what do we end up with? 15 almost?
16. Not including the two that got away on us.
Yeah.
Or 3, whatever it was.
Pretty consistent, I'd say.
Yep, pretty good. All right. Last one of the day. Nice.
Nice.
Little one.
Yeah, another little guy.
All right, so first crow outing of the year, we ended up with 16 birds. Even though all of our shooting definitely could have used a lot of improvement, we still ended up with 16. 18 logically, but we lost that first bird that we knocked down at the first location, and then another one later on that I saw drop, but we could never get to it. I don't exactly remember what our record was last year. It was more than 16, so we haven't beaten the record, but the first outing that we went to last year was 12, so we've beaten that one. And if our shooting improved, we probably would have beaten our record altogether today. But overall, a great first crow outing. A lot of songbird nests are going to be saved this coming spring, and we're planning to head out again next week. So, thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next time.